Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to search coordinates in Google Maps. So, it is not a difficult process, it's very easy. As you can see, we have here Warsaw, but let's move somewhere else so that it won't be suspicious. I've saved for myself the coordinates for Warsaw, Poland. So don't worry, that we'll be here we'll be having the Warsaw city. At first we have to enter the search bar, and the search bar, as you can see, we have the coordinates here. But to search for the coordinates, at first we have to enter latitude, and then after the comma, longitude. So let's switch to numbers in our keyboard, and let's type 52.2297, and this is the latitude. And now after comma we have to enter longitude, which is 21.0122, and now we have to tap search. As you can see here, we have Warsaw. It's not difficult to search coordinates. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.